Hi, how are you?
What a wonderful show.
Yes, it was amazing.
What happened here today?
Well, we had an amazing event in Athens. I was so excited to meet everyone, to meet every single hairdresser that was there. It's been so long that we had such a huge event, so it was really inspiring to feel everyone's energy, to see the models, the makeup, the dress. I mean, I was blown away about the feeling we had in Athens.
I'm so happy to be here. I want you to tell me a few words about your techniques.
Well, like you all could see on stage, I did some dimensional color. I used lightning surfaces, freehand and in foils. I also showed liquid love, so I used color gels oils, I used shades EQ, and that's actually something of the main hot tips that I wanted to share to everyone, that liquid color is the new innovative trend within the brand. It's actually the first brand that created only liquid color, so how amazing is that? And the reason why I love liquid color so much, it's very easy to apply, it gives us way more time in the salon, so it's actually also more money. So that's why I love liquid color.
So, that's your tip for hairdressers for the liquid coloration?
Exactly. My tip for hairdressers that want to use liquid coloration, absolutely give it a try. Redken Color Gels Oils is one of the main products that I love to use in my salon. It gives 100% gray coverage, but still gives us a super natural finish. So definitely give it a try.
Perfect. Thank you very much, Marty.
Thank you for your time.
Congratulations for today.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you. Good. Thank you. We are both amazing.
Yes, we are both.
Yes.
Πες και για μένα κανένα καλό λόγο. Thank you.